Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. We're continuing this series on the EGW Writings 2 app on my iPad and learning all the features that the app has to offer. The particular feature that we're going to look at today is simply text selection. Many users write in to us and tell us that they have difficulty in selecting the text. So I'm going to show you 3 fail-safe methods right now so that you will not have any issues in selecting the text in the app. Right here on my home screen, you can see that we're here in Desire of Ages Chapter 3. And the first tip is how to select a word, a single word. Well, all you need to do is double tap on any word and the word will be selected. Double tap, it's selected. If I want to unselect, just tap outside the selection area. All right, you say, so now we know how to select a single word, and that is useful if you want to, say, look up a definition, but let's now try and select more text, like a sentence. How to do that? Very simply, like this. Let's watch again. If I long click on the first word I want to select, and now drag my finger along, and you can see in the magnifying glass when you get to the end, you just lift up. Text selected. Okay, that was simple. But you say, all right, I now know how to select a single sentence of text. What if I want to select a paragraph or a particular range? You can see how I can move my finger around to a different range of text. It follows. When I lift up, it's selected. But what if I want to select a long selection of text, like 2 or 3 paragraphs, for example? That's no problem either. I long click on the first word in the range. I scroll down, long click on the last word in the range, and everything in between is selected. And if I need to adjust, I can just long click on there and adjust it with my finger. And then the toolbox pops up. Now you say, what is this toolbox? Don't worry about it. We're not concentrating on this episode. We're just learning how to select the text. And I just showed you the 3 methods. Single word, a sentence or a phrase or a paragraph, or a long phrase. So not a problem. Just use those 3 methods and the text selection will be no worries. So tune in for the next episode on Study Center and you're going to learn how to use that toolbox and how to highlight and select and bookmark. But today's tutorial was just learning the 3 methods of text selection. I hope you received a simple blessing from what I shared with you today, and as you use this app, may you always remember that the more that you read and study about God, the closer a friend He will become. Stay with God and remain blessed. Have a nice day.